Did you know your brain can trick you into seeing things that aren't even there? No, you're not losing it. It's just how your brain works. Your brain doesn't actually see the world directly. Your eyes send signals to your brain, and your brain says, "Cool, I'll guess what this means." And it's pretty good at guessing, most of the time. But sometimes, it goes rogue. Take optical illusions, for example. You see a static image, but it looks like it's moving. That's not magic. That's your brain trying to predict motion based on contrast, shapes, and shadows. It's like your brain is saying, "I've seen something like this before. Let me fill in the blanks for you." Helpful, but also totally wrong. Ever looked at a shadow and thought it was a spider? Or saw a face in a plug socket? That's pareidolia, your brain's weird obsession with finding patterns, especially faces, even where there are none. It's the reason people see animals in clouds or a ghost in their toast. Why does this happen? Because our brains are wired for survival, not accuracy. It's better to think you saw a tiger in the bushes and be wrong than to not see it and get eaten. So your brain plays it safe and jumps to conclusions. Sometimes it even edits reality for you. There's something called change blindness, where people can miss huge changes right in front of them, just because their brain didn't think it was important enough to notice. So next time you see something weird, a face in a tree, a color that seems to shift, or a hallway that stretches forever, don't blame your eyes. Blame your brain. It means well. It's just trying to protect you, and maybe have a little fun while it's at it.